Hello everyone, welcome to Create Java YouTube channel. So I'll be teaching you how to create a project using Maven. There are two ways you can create a project using Maven. One is a command prompt, one is through IDE. So I'll be doing it from command prompt today. So from IDE, I will do another video. So to do that, there are few softwares needs to be installed in your machine. The first one is JDK. So to download that, go to Google and just type in Java download. So it will take you to the java.com website. From here you can download and install the Java. So I have already pre-installed Java uh, in program files Java and have installed already in my machine. So here is the path, and this is first step is covered, and we'll go back to the next step, which is second step. Download the Maven from Apache Maven website. The same way what we did for Java, we can do it for Maven. Say Maven download. So it will take you to the Apache Maven website, wherein you will have different versions to download. So basically this is for the Linux version and this is for the Windows version. Let us go ahead and download the Windows version, Apache Maven 3.6.3. This is the latest version. So I've already downloaded in my machine. So if you go here, D Softwares, Apache Maven, this is the path I have downloaded and extracted the file. So the second step is done, and the third and fourth step is creating a variable, system variable, adding it to the class path. So we have to set Java home and Maven home in our environment variable. So to do that, go to start, type in environment variable, just click on edit system environment variables. When you click on that, you'll get different tabs wherein you have to go to the advanced tab and click on environment variable. So basically there are two types of variable, user variable and system variable. So user variable is specific to that user who has logged in. System variable is specific. It is common for all the users who logged into the machine. So we'll create a system variables. So to do that, you just have to click on new, say Java home, and you just have to copy the path where the JDK is installed. So for me, in this path JDK is installed, I'll just copy this and I will paste it here and click on OK. So basically I've added it already, as you can see here, Java home. So I'll just cancel it. Java home, which is already done. And same way we can do for the Maven home. Just type in Maven home, click on new, type in Maven home here, and add the path, which is downloaded path here. You just add this path to the system variable and click on OK. So now once it is set, we have done third step 3 and 4, and so once it is done, we have to check whether the Java and Maven is installed properly or not. That is our fifth and sixth step. So to verify that, go to start and say cmd command prompt, open the command prompt. uh, it, it doesn't matter from which folder you're trying to do. So as it is entered in the system variable, it should be accessible from any path. So from here, what I'll do, say Java minus version, so which will say Java version, what is the installed version in your machine. If it is not properly installed and the home is not, Java home is not set, it will say it is not an recognized command. For example, if I say test is not a recognized command. If I click on enter, it says test is not recognized as an internal or external command. The same thing will happen if Java is not installed and class path is not set properly if you say Java. So let us go ahead and see if Maven is installed properly. To do that, you have to type in mvn space minus minus version. So it will give you the path where the Maven is installed and Java is installed. If it is not installed properly, again you'll get the same error. So our fifth and sixth steps are completed now. Let us go ahead and create a Maven project. As I said earlier, you can do it from the IDE, integrated development environment, like Eclipse and all. So I'll be doing that in next video. And another way is to use command prompt. to create a project from the command prompt, here is a command. So let us go ahead and I'll be explaining what is these parameters are. So Maven is an internal command to run any Maven commands. So archetype generate, which says generate a new project, and the second thing is group ID. Basically, group ID is the package. What is the main package you are going to create? And inside the project. And next is artifact ID. Basically, this is the project name. And archetype artifact ID. This basically is, for example, uh, if you say Maven archetype quick start, which means it will create a form with the basic, dependencies. There are other archetypes are there. For example, Maven archetype J2E, which will add the dependencies of, J2E dependencies automatically when we are creating a project. As of now, we'll go with Maven archetype quick start. And archetype version you can specify, and the interactive mode is equal to false. So basically, if you make it true, what will happen is it will ask you for the archetype version, it will ask you for the group ID, there will be interaction. So when you hit enter, you can enter the values there, and finally it will create a new project. I'll make interactive mode as false so that it will automatically create a project. So let me go ahead and I'll just clear the screen. So I'll go to CD desktop and I'll create I'll go to already created folder CD Crave Java. So basically what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to navigate to Crave Java folder through command prompt. So what I will do, in this Crave Java folder, I'll create a new Maven project using command prompt. So basically, we have to use this command to create a new project. So let us go ahead. I'll just copy this command. So in the command prompt, if you want to paste, just right click. So let me second. Just right click, it will automatically come here. So I'll just hit enter. Anyway, the project will be created as Crave Java hyphen app, and the inside the package will be created as in.cravejava.app. So let me hit enter here. So basically what it is doing to what is it is doing is it is contacting the Maven repository and fetching all the files, and it will create a basic Java project using Maven. So now it is already created. It says build success. Let us go and see. So as you can see, Crave Java hyphen app, which we have specified here. Crave Java app, which is the artifact ID. So by that name, the Crave Java app is created. Inside you can see pom.xml. I'll just open it. You can see there is only JUnit dependency. As this is a quick start artifact, it will create only this much. So now our project is created, and if you can see inside main Java in.createjava.app, as you can see in.createjava.app is the group ID I have given. So it is created the package, and inside if you go open this, there will be hello world. Okay, so just a hello world. Now we have created a project called Crave Java app. So our seventh step is complete. Now, uh, now as you can see, there is no jar file created from the sources. So to create a jar file and run that application, what we have to do is you have to, I'll just clear this. So you have to navigate inside the Crave Java app. So what I'll do, cd Crave Java app. So hit enter. So now we are inside the Crave Java app. Wherever the pom.xml is there, we have to go there and say mvn package. So I'll just maximize this. When you hit enter, what it will do, it will download all the related libraries required, and it will create a jar out of it. It says build success. So if you go here, so one more target folder will be created inside the Crave Java app. If you go inside that, you will see Crave Java app jar. So now out of using the sources, Crave Java app jar is created. So how to run this? To do that, either I'll just clear the screen. Either you can go inside the target folder of Crave Java app. If you can see Crave Java app, inside target folder, we have the Crave Java jar. So you can go inside this cd target. So we are inside the target now. Uh, Now our 8th step is complete. We have packaged it into jar. And the next is to run the project, you need to use this command java cp. So as you are inside the project, you need not have to mention target. Just say java cp. This is the jar name, and it is the complete path to the app.test java. So what we'll do, we'll type in a command. So if we run this jar file, we should get hello world. So I'll see java minus cp, and the jar name is create java app 1.0.jar. Sorry for that. And we need to give the complete path. So inside source main java, it will start from in dot crave java dot app. So in dot crave java dot app dot app. So if I hit enter, it will say hello world. So what I'll do, I'll just change this hello world to hello crave java users. So I'll just save it. What I'll have to do is again have to use the maven command. So I'll go back cd dot dot, because we are in the target folder. POM is there in crave java dot app here hyphen app. So here I can say maven package. If I do that again, it will rebuild the jar. It has rebuilt the jar, and now I will go inside target folder, or you can do it from here only. I'll show you java minus cp slash target space so I need to basically copy this. One second. Snapshot.java. I need to copy this. So yeah, so I'll say target slash, this is the jar file, and you have to say in dot. So let us go to source main java, inside in dot crave java dot app dot in dot crave java dot app dot app. If you do that, it says hello crave java users. So this, we have created a basic maven java project. Thanks everyone. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.